What is going on, guys? Happy Sunday. Happy Asian market open. I hope everybody had a good weekend. We had a fantastic week last week, and we're looking to keep it going. Amazing week last week. Welcome, everybody. I hope everybody had a good weekend. Fix my camera there. Anybody do anything fun this weekend? No? Alright, we'll jump into it then. Alright, so I have been looking at the charts a little bit here. We do have a couple good charts to look at tonight. GJ is doing its thing. GJ looks like it might drop down below, What's up, Andrew? How you doing, man? Good to see you again, brother. GJ looks like it may drop. It's got bearish sentiment everywhere. It tried to retest this area down here, this 2100 to 2200, or 211 to 212. It tried to retest it multiple times, no luck. So we're going to look at selling, possibly selling GJ tonight. That's probably number one on my list right now. If you look at the day, extremely bearish. If you look at the hour, the 4 hour, obviously extremely bearish as well. 1 hour, nice break and retest here. Our break of structure happened last week. Happened right here. But we had a break of structure last week where it broke through and retested. We could look to see the downside. The downside here tonight is roughly... It's 200 pips toward down there. Toward your TP1, you'd be looking at like 70 pips, 102 pips. I mean, this is a solid looking chart in my opinion. Jean-Pierre, what's going on? How are you? What's up, man? Good to see you back on. Hope you're having a good day. I just don't see how in any way this continues back up. However, we'll see through the night here what happens over the next hour or two. Euro AUD. So Euro AUD looks like a buy. We have finally found a bottom here after weeks. It looks like of drawdown. It looks like 36 days of a downtrend. We might have finally broke 36 straight days of downtrend. 36 days is a long time. That is a long time to be on a downtrend. We just got a full candle closure above the EMA finally, and a fair value gap formed. So we could look at buys on Euro AUD. We may see this thing move up for the first time in quite literally months. We have found a pretty strong bottom here, though. I don't think we're dropping below the 1.61 area. Very, very key level. I don't think that's something we're breaking anytime soon. We could certainly look to take buys and long this here. Targets you'd be looking at possibly 1.62967. So in terms of targets on this chart right now, you'd be looking at 25 pips to 40 pips to possibly 119 pips. You could hold this through London. But again, coming off of 36 days of downtrend, it's a positive looking chart there. GBP CAD absolutely dropped off the face of the earth. We're at a key level. I wouldn't touch this. I wouldn't touch this with a 10-foot pole, to be honest with you. I don't want to be the guinea pig to see if this goes down or continues back up. Not really my jam there. Doesn't really fit our style. However, just taking a look at it, it's bearish. I mean, there's no doubt about that. It's a bearish chart. There's no way around that. NZD USD, again, trade we took last week. We caught this whole downswing. I wouldn't touch it. Euro GBP looks like it's on the way up. Big, huge gap up. And this past hour candle, bullish engulfing. Looks like we could see the high side here. If we were to take buys here, you're looking at possibly 12, 13 pips. Not really a lot of movement there. Not a lot of room till the next resistance. Not something that I'd look at taking tonight. GBP AUD here looks like it's bullish. We rejected this previous zone down here. We rejected this support. So it's definitely on the way up. Also looks like you might have a reverse head and shoulders. This could finish to up here. From where it's at now to the top is 73 pips. Not a bad trade. However, it is still under the EMA ribbon. Not something I would touch, at least on the hour time frame. 15-minute, not even either. JBP AUD, not something that I'm going to be looking at with too much stock in it. AUD JPY, broken well below the EMA ribbon, well below the previous zone. On the 4 hour, looks like it's consolidating below the EMA ribbon here. Nice break of structure that we had right here. Very, very clean. Uptrend, break of structure, retest right here. This could see the downside this way. But again, I'm not in anything yet, guys. We're just going over it. AUD USD. It is pretty low there on the 4 hour. Gosh, it's so bearish. It's so bearish. Yeah, it does look like it could come back down here. As long as you get a next hour candle closure below this fair value gap, I think you could sell it off for 47 pips. What's up, Samuel? Good to see you, man. Hope you're having a good day. Yeah, it's definitely a hold for sure right now. EuroCAD, same thing. Looking like a sell, but I don't want to touch it. Just click through these real quick here. There's a lot of these that I won't touch right now. More than a lot, actually. My favorite chart of the night is GJ. I think GJ is the most positive looking chart. At least we had no major gap ups or gap downs. Hey, there's Euro USD from last week, guys. If you're still holding that, congrats. You'd be 115 pips in profit. Went straight through TP4 there, baby. I like GJ, guys. The only thing I don't like about GJ is the distance to the EMA ribbon. Jordan, you're still holding Euro USD? Heck yeah, that's got to be a good trade for you. It's got to be a great trade. Heck yeah, man. $85 pips. Nice. Good stuff. I don't like to hold through the weekend personally, but that doesn't mean you can't. I just personally don't like to hold through the weekend. I think we might hit... Nice. NZD CAD, you're at 93 pips? Hell yeah. I think we might hit 2,000 subscribers tonight, guys. AUD JPY looks like a really good sell. Like a really good sell. I just don't like where the EMA ribbon is in relation to the 4 hour on a lot of these. And I know we're looking to trade on smaller time frame here, but I'd love for them to be up here rejecting. And unfortunately, we might have to wait for price to get there. But part of trading is knowing when to wait for it to get to your entry point. Part of it really is waiting for it to get to your entry point. And if we wait for it to get to our entry point, it would be roughly up here at this 113,700 area. That's where we'd be looking. Get rid of this off my desk. Let's see here. FX Quant Lab. Entry and sell on GBP AUD. GBP AUD. You're in a sell? Not really enough information, man, but it looks like it's a buy. It looks like you're about to reverse head and shoulders this thing, inverse to up here. But it's in the dead zone here. You have your resistance here, you have your support here. I wouldn't touch anything right here. This is a no-go for me. On GBP AUD, yeah, this is a no-go for me. Not until you get to a resistance or a support. I don't like trading in the middle. I like trading at zones. It looks like a buy to me, though. Jose. Batman of Web3, we're just going through some charts right now, figuring out what we may get in tonight. Jose wants NZD CAD. Let's take a look here. NZD CAD could buy up to the EMA ribbon. It certainly could. I like where your head's at, Jose. The only reason I wouldn't touch it this second is because I don't like going against a trend that strong. I don't want to be the guinea pig to see if it goes up. But you could buy this up for 11 to 23 pips. You could buy up what we're waiting for. Again, I just don't like going against that strong of a trend. I mean, if you look at the day chart, my goodness. The day chart really suggests that this thing's going to drop off back down to here, but not 100% sure on this one. I think you could buy it up to the EMA ribbon, though, there, Jose. You certainly could. Thanks for the sub, F Quant Lab. Hope you're having a good day, man. We're going to look at where we can find a super clean break of structure is what we're going to look for tonight. I really like the AUD JPY one. We have no major news tonight, guys, and no major news tomorrow. We got actually 3 straight days of no major news in New York. Really? Wow. That's a first. That's a big time first. Oil's still going up, guys. Let's take a look at oil real quick. Guys, oil's still on the rise, which means the dollar is going to be on the rise, and JPY is going to be on the downside here. That's why I like sells on GJ and AUD JPY. I really do like sells on them. AUD JPY I like a little bit better. We've been there recently. If we were going to look at some take profit lines here. Hey, Jose, I hope you had a good weekend, by the way. There's some points to look at. Looking at 30 pips to the bottom there. 60 pips, 76 pips, 100 pips. I mean, there's a lot to be said about this AUD-JPY chart. Well, you're going to try silver? Hey, you guys will actually be really surprised. You know what I did over the weekend? I shorted Bitcoin over the weekend, guys. This is the trade I'm still in. I'm holding this. Oh, got a tooth pulled. They put the nose stuff on you so you fall asleep. What do they call that stuff? Novocaine? But yeah, I shorted Bitcoin this weekend, guys. I'm still holding it on Kraken. Oh, man, you're a real man. I couldn't do that. Oh, boy. Hopefully it didn't hurt too bad. It's probably for the best. Yeah, Bitcoin's gonna drop, baby. Bitcoin to 74K would be awesome. But we'll see what happens. Boy, I don't like that. Has anyone ever traded on Kraken? No? Oh, yeah, you're smart, man. Private doctors are the way to go. But yeah, just looking at Bitcoin, guys, I mean, this thing might absolutely just drop off the face of the earth. I'm thinking 74K, guys. We're going to wait for GJ to come up and retest this area. Alright, let's see here. Just a waiting game on GJ now. I was trying out Kraken. Just for cryptocurrency, not for anything else. Just for cryptocurrency. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I just wanted to see how it was, so I put some money in it. Euro AUD. For a buy? I like Euro AUD for a buy. It's not a bad buy at all. I just want to see it break where the market opened. Because you got a nice bull flag here on the 15-minute. Beautiful bull flag right here. Just got to get a break above and this thing can go. I like it a lot. Oops. Yeah, I do like that chart a lot there, Jose. Eight more subs, guys. 8 more subs to 2K. Nice. Good shit, Jose. It looks like a good buy. I know everything on here is going to say sell, except for maybe the 1 hour and down. Actually, 4 hour does too. Swing trading view. Nice. Oh, I meant to put that up there. I like that trade, Jose. I like that trade, man. That's where I'd put my take profits, and I'd have my stop loss like right here. What's that stop loss? 31 pips to the downside and possible 20, 34, 112. You know what? We're going to move this one down here. Good trade there, man. It's a good setup. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Live streaming 3 to 4 days a week. Sometimes 5. But mostly I've been 3 to 4 days a week, guys. Gotta give myself some time to relax, you know? Been on the streaming grind. How'd you guys do last week? We fucking crushed it last week. Last week we went for plus 84.5 pips last week. $84.5. Hell yeah, Jordan. Glad to hear it. That's awesome to hear. That last trade of the week really took me over the edge. That last trade of the week went for 55 pips, that runner. I cashed out $32,000 last week. It was a good week. That's what we're looking for on AUD. Let's take a look at this 15-minute here. Yeah, it was a good week, man. Like a really good week. $55 pips at, you know, $100 to $300 a pip will get you there. I left a lot of lots as a runner. My final position was 25 lots as a runner. So that helped. I really like the sell on AUD, JPY, and GJ. We got a nice bearish flag, more like a bear pennant here. That break below right here is going to single a landslide downward. I don't know, that Euro AUD trade looks really solid, Jose. I just kind of wanted to break the previous highs, but I think it's going to. It's settled right above the EMA ribbon too after this consolidation. And like we talked about earlier, 36 straight days of drawdown. I mean, that's not drawdown, downtrend. 36 straight days of a downtrend is wild. All right. Part of me really wants to jump in this trade right now, but I'm going to hold off. I'm going to wait a little bit here. Let me see. I'll show you guys what I'm thinking here. There you go, Jose. Get after it. This is what I'm thinking for this. 33 pips as the... That's what I'm looking at. I want to see us break that fair value gap, though. It's caught in between two of them. This is exactly what we look for, though, guys. Exactly what we look for. Clean break and retest at the EMA and the fair value gap. I think, Daniel, if you're in here, I think this is the one you and I went over earlier today. This is the exact trade we went over today. I'm like almost positive it is. Yes, it is, right? There he is. What's up, Daniel? I think this is the exact trade we went over today. Let's give it 5 more minutes. I think we're going to sell this, guys. I think we're going to sell AUDJPY. Euro AUD is going to go. I love that trade, too. We're going to give this thing 3 more minutes, but I think we're going to end up selling it. Euro AUD's just climbing. It's a good get there, Jose. Wow, I love that I have everything open on one tab. Good job, Matt. We got, what, 1 minute and 17 seconds? I think 113486 is our number. 113486 is our number to get in. I think that's it. I like that spot. How many pips is that? 34 and a half. Yeah. All right, let's get some retracement here, and then we'll get in on this new candle. Let me get this written down here. I'm selling it, guys. I'm selling it. We're in. We're in at 113411. One one three four one one. All right, I'm gonna send this out to everyone. Give me 1 sec to get this out. AUDJPY sell. Our stop loss is 113829. Take profit 1 is 113168. 68. Take profit 2 is 112922. Take profit 3 is 112742. And take profit 4 is, let's see here, 112378. Let me get in this on my small account. AUDJPY. Alright, let me send this out to everybody. We're going to send it out on the 1 hour. Copy image. Send this out to the boys. Paste. I'll send this to everybody too. Everybody's gonna get one tonight. Won't let you buy or won't let you sell? Refresh it, Kivy. Just refresh, guys. Mine filled too. Maybe the trading with Matt community is just flooding the market for them. I just don't like it because futures, most of the volume in futures is in the New York session. And the New York session is filled with news, and I just don't trade during news. I don't have a Telegram, I have a Discord. It's right there. I just pinned it. No Telegram, just Discord. Inbox. It's a clever name. What was the SL on this? 113829. Just click the link right there, man. Just click the link right there. Crypto into infograph. Thinks I'm about to go. Yeah, that's fine, man. I have no problem holding drawdown. I've held 7,000 drawdown on live stream before. It's not that big of a deal. It's a good trade. It's an A+ setup. Meets every single rule. It's a good trade. The account can hold it, man. No worries. Am I down? No. I'm not down. We're up 80-something pips last week. Far from down, sir. The live P&L that you guys are seeing right now is 4.5 pips in drawdown. Just 4 pips. 4.5. Seven, 4, 2. Here, I'll send it to you. This is a good trade, guys. I like this setup. Should we watch the minute? It's our favorite pastime. Watching the minute chart. It's already got 10.2K on volume 2. That was a nice move. And the only reason mine shows negative at right at entry right now is because I have $280 in commission. $70 per 10 lots. But that's normal for the size of trading. We shall see. Take what the markets give us there, brother. Probably in a minute, though. I would imagine. Andrew, you sent me an email? I shall check my email, good sir. Hey, is that green enough for you there, guys? You're fucking wild, man. Andrew's wild, bro. Well, that ain't bad. That ain't bad, boys. Who wants to start their week off good with trading with Matt? I don't feel anything. I just watch it happen. Yes, I do take partials. I'm only a couple pips in profit here, guys. I'm not touching it yet. Only 7 pips in profit. I do, yes. That's why I enter multiple positions. Famous TV, YouTube TV, whatever. FV miss. Yeah, we're in the same thing, man. AJ sells, baby. That's what we're in right now. On the minute chart, because it's fun to watch. That might be the quickest trading AUD JPY foreign exchange. Famous is in it. I don't know what chart that's in, but no, the market's open right now. Market's open right now, guys. This is a foreign exchange market. We're in the Asian session, baby. Shit, nice. Yoink. I'm also putting up a ton, though, guys. You got to realize this is 40 lots. I'm risking $5,712 right now. So, like, comparison is a thief. Don't compare yourself to other people, guys. Reggie can trade. What's up, my man? Yes, I do. The free signals, you get 2 a week. VIP gets all of them. It's only $27 to join, guys. Yeah, I mean, I've been doing this for 15 years, so I'd like to think I know what I'm doing. But I appreciate that. Strays Invest. Yeah, reject that. I'm 32, man. I started trading when I was 17 years old. That's actually... We're in 2026. It's actually I've been trading for 16 years. I'm 32, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. I did just shave today. I'll take looking younger than looking older. Well, the beautiful thing about trading is you can start it and learn whenever you want. If I can get 20 to 30 pips out of this, if we get TP1 out of this, if we get 24 pips out of this, I'll be happy. Thanks, man. I appreciate the sub. Thanks, Crypto. I don't know. If I get 24 pips out of this, I'd be happy. I don't look at it by money. Like, the goal is not to make a certain dollar amount. The goal is to set up your chart. Skeleton, this is AUDJPY. You have to enter 3 different trades and set your take profits. Trading AUDJPY. Nice. Good job there, Famous. What, did we just get a new 15-minute candle? Oh yeah, this thing's going. This thing's gonna go. This might be the quickest in profit on stream this year, at least. Last year we had a couple where we went in profit within the first 30 minutes of the stream. Let's go. Good move. Break the lows. $2K. Let's go. You guys can do it too on small accounts. Stop loss is 113829. 113829. You just click sell multiple times. Oh shit, this thing's moving. Already 11.7 pips in profit. Yeah, I love when Sundays are smooth too, man. It makes life just so much easier. Holy shit, guys. Guess what? Guess what? 2,000 subs. Thank you, guys. 2,000 subs, baby. Appreciate you guys. That's a big deal. 2,000 subs. Nice. Good stuff there, guys. 2K on the subs. Great Bush, what's up, man? Let's go. This thing's gonna drop. $32. Andrew, you're up 8 what? Let me know the zeros after that. What are you up? 800K? Good to see you, Great Bush. Let's keep riding this thing. Yeah, man. Streams are always going to be free. I can't believe we hit 2K subs. Holy shit. That's awesome. Appreciate you guys. You know what? This is going to go on the story. Yes, it is free to join. Yes, it is. Let's go, baby. 2,000 subs. Live on stream. Let's go. Good stuff, guys. Appreciate all of you. Yes, I do. The free signals get 2 per week, guys. And VIP gets all my trades. Yes, sir. No, I do not trade prop firms at all, nor do I advise it. This is all my own capital, guys. For free, yeah. Plus, I only take maybe 5 to 6 trades a week. Trading's not about how many trades you take a week. It's about how many profitable trades you take. Dennis, we're trading AUD JPY, Australian dollar to the Japanese yen. Yeah, just need one more. Yeah, let's keep that FVG intact and just drive. If you don't have a name, by the way, on your Discord, I'm not going to accept your friend request. Yeah, I know. I was just saying somebody just added me or friend requested me and their name is Numbers. Like I'm not gonna answer that. Let's go. Let's push here. How many pips in profit are we right now? We're as much as 13, huh? Nice. That hour candle was sweet. I'm fine with it consolidating down here. It's consolidating for another drop. We're good with that. Welcome to everyone that just joined the Discord, guys. We're watching the 1 minute, but this thing's a 1 hour time frame trade. We're just watching the 1 minute for fun. It's a lot more fun to watch this than watch a big old hour candle. But if you look at the hour chart, it's a sell. If you look at the 4-hour chart, it's a sell. If you look at the 15-minute chart, 5-minute, 1 minute, they're all sells. This is, yeah, the 1 hour. It really doesn't matter, guys. Like the trade is the trade. We analyzed it on every time frame. It was a sell on every time frame, guys. We are... No, this is AUDJPY. Every time frame's a sell, guys. Every time frame's a sell. We caught a good chunk here. You can watch it on any time frame. It really doesn't matter. $13 plus pips in profit, guys. $13 plus pips in profit. This thing's dropping. Nice. There you go, Inbox. Welcome, man. Where's VIP? Let's go. Almost $4 grand in profit here. Good. There you go, Jordan. Hopefully you're in sells. When by moving down, I hope you mean you're in sells. There you go, famous. Good stuff. Good stuff, guys. I'm going to close 2 positions. You know what? Yeah. Definitely. Yes. That is it's a good start, man. There we go. Hey, that's all right, man. Everybody starts somewhere. There you go. 224 pips. How's that Euro AUD trade doing? There you go. Jose's up too. Jose, you almost smashed right to TP1, baby. GJ's going to be a good trade tonight too. AUDJPY with just the absolute monstrosity of a drop-off. I'm pretty happy with this one right here. We hit TP1. I'm closing at least one position, if not two. I'm in 4 positions right now. 40 total lots. Good job, guys. If you got in on this, doesn't matter. It's a sell on every time frame. AUDJPY is a sell on every time frame, man. But you can look at it on whichever one you want. Here's our new hour. We're going to get a little bit of retracement here. Then we should drive right back down. Yes, 0.01 on $100. A lot. Yes. Yes. This thing's going to drive. I want to see 20 plus pips on live on. See this thing drive. Did the what's it called stop moving? Is it just me or did my hold on. Did my live P&L stop moving on the stream for you guys? Fuck, it did. $4K in profit. Yep, it did stop moving. Hold on. There we go. Fixed it. Let's go. Happy Sunday, boys. $17 pips in profit. No problem, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Yo, we're going to hit it. All right, let's see this thing drop to TP1. 5.7K. Quantum coal. I risked 5.7K to make this much. Let's go. Let's see this thing just drive down. About to get a new 5-minute candle too. This is AUDJPY. We're going to catch this bad boy live. That's 17 seconds till we get a new minute candle. Or 8-minute candle. 5-minute candle. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Boom. Let's go. Yo, we hit TP1. I'm out of both. I'm out. I'm probably going to close 2 positions. Let's go. Just hit down there. $5,000 in profit. Oh my gosh, it came so close. We are 22 pips in profit, guys. Oh my gosh. We're out. Let's go. 2 positions closed. Let's go, guys. Let's go. TP1 smacked for 24.4 pips. Close 2 of 4 positions. Move your stop losses to break even, guys. Everyone move your stop losses to break even. This is a risk-free trade. This is a risk-free trade, guys. Let's go. All my stop losses are moved to break even. Good stuff, guys. Really, really good stuff. I'm still going to hold 2 positions. But again, stop losses is a break even. So break even exit. Break even exit. Potential to lose is 0. 0 potential to lose, guys. One, 2, What's TB3? 112.742. Possibly could make another 7 grand. And we're moving, yep, stop loss to break even everywhere, guys. That's the way to do it on Asian Session Open, guys. If you guys haven't already, make sure you join the Discord. If you want all my trades, you can get all my trades. If you just want the free ones, you can get the free ones. I don't really give a shit. You're more than welcome to do what you want. But that was textbook, guys. Textbook break and retest right there. Textbook break and retest. Absolutely textbook. 218 subs, guys. I appreciate you guys a shit ton. I'm going to end this stream how we always do. If you made money on that, guys, just W's in the chat if you made money there. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Short stream tonight. Don't need more than an hour and 15 minutes to make a couple thousand tonight. There you go. I'll show you guys something. This is our last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the last 8 trades right there, guys. Last 8 trades right there. Let's go. Good shit, guys. As always, I appreciate everyone that joined. If you guys have any questions, you know how to find me on Discord. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Move your stop losses to break even, guys. We're not touching this. This is a risk-free trade. I hope everybody has a great night, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, guys.